Hi goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And today honey, your girl is doing your requested recipe, juicy oven baked honey turkey drumsticks in my kitchen, fast, easy and simple. So if you're here watching me cooking for your very first time, be sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already, go ahead and do so, and then turn on your post notifications so you will always know when I upload a brand new video. Let's jump right into the recipe.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you want some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back.
Now here we go, goodie. Now a few days ago I did this turkey drumstick mukbang with my cucumber and all that other good stuff, and I promised you guys that I was going to show you how I did make those drumsticks along with my butter sauce. I'll do a later video for the butter sauce, but let's get right into the video showing you how to do these drumsticks. Okay, now with my turkey drumsticks I went ahead and washed it really nice and clean with salt, lemon juice and vinegar, and let it sit in that vinegar liquid for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it was time to season. In a little container, this is what I did. I went in with some salt, and then I added some black pepper to it. Now, after the salt and black pepper, I added some onion powder, and then added some garlic powder too, right? Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now to that, I did use the turkey seasoning. Now know that you could always substitute that for all-purpose seasoning or any other seasoning that you like to use in your kitchen, but we were going in for turkey since as I'm doing turkey drumsticks here. You can use chicken seasoning too. Now, to kick it up a notch, I decided to go in with some of that lemon pepper seasoning because it really does taste good on your chicken or steak or anything that you're cooking. Okay, so to that I added a little bit of paprika for color. And then I went in with some cayenne pepper. A little bit of that. Then I added some dried rosemary. If you don't have the dried one, just use fresh. I just happen to have dry at hand. Put that all up in there. Then I added my apple cider vinegar because I never cook without it. And again, you always ask me why it's good for. Good for your whole system, inside and out, alright? Now, I did go with my avocado oil, and yes, you can substitute that oil for whatever you have at hand in your kitchen. Quarantine, so just use what you have. Then to that I added some honey, and I think I added about 2 tablespoons of honey to the mix. Then I gave it a really good mix combination, and your seasoning is ready right as so. Ready? Like ready. Okay, now goodie, all the amount for this recipe will be listed down in the description box, so go down there and check it. It's there. Also goodie, if you're not subscribed to my second channel, Life is Juliana, go ahead and do so. The link for that channel will also be listed down below. Alright, so now we're going to season up this turkey drumsticks. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and just pour it all out on that meat, just like so. What we want to do here is give it a really good season. Right now we're doing turkey, and turkey is one of those meat that really does take longer to soak in. It takes longer than chicken does. Chicken is much easier for our flavor. Turkey, if it's not seasoned right, or if you don't let it sit for a little bit, it will be flavorless. So in fact, instead of letting this thing sit for 30 minutes like I always do, I gave it about an hour and 10 minutes to just let it sit and marinate. So you want to do that. Now for a better result, of course, you could let it sit in your refrigerator overnight and you're going to have an excellent result. But me, I'm always doing everything fast, easy, and simple. Yeah, because you cannot have time for wait until overnight, enough time. But if you have time to do that, go ahead and do that. Now, what I did next was just go ahead and wrap it up nice and tight. Okay, make sure you seal it up nice and tight, just like I'm doing here. I did in fact let mine sit on the countertop, room temperature. But again, remember, if you are not going to cook it within that hour and 10 minutes, you definitely want to go ahead and place it in your refrigerator, okay? Now, after I'm done letting that thing sit and rest for a little bit, it's time for this to go in my oven. Now, my oven is already preheated. You want to put this in your oven when it's preheated. Do not put it in a cold oven, because it's going to be flan. Make sure that oven is ready, like Freddy, before you put it in there. Now, I'm using my rack right here for the most perfect textured turkey drumsticks in my kitchen ever. So that's what I did. If you don't have that particular setup, just go ahead and put it in your baking tray and you are just fine. Now, the marinade that you have left over, just go ahead and place it on your turkey drumsticks, just like that, and then go ahead and pop it in your preheated oven. Okay, yes, boo. Pop it all up in there. Pop it up, pop it up. Now, after about a good 35 minutes, that is what you'll have. All the juices from that turkey, just go ahead and place it all over for added flavor, just like so. Alright, this is all the natural juices from your turkey. All the natural juices. Now, if you're still watching me cooking this far, be sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Alright, and make sure that you are in fact checking your notifications once you have subscribed. If you're my all-time goodie, be sure that you are in fact checking your notifications to make sure that they're on, because 90% of the time they are off. So go ahead and check them, because the girl is exhausted trying to get links for you guys because your notifications is on, okay? Off. Sorry, your notification is off. So go ahead and check it. Now you want to go back and put it back in the oven and let it finish baking, and all the time and everything will be listed down below. Now, after your thing all done baking, that is your texture right there. And that is how it's going to look, a nice, beautiful golden brown, just like if you had put it on the grill outside, honey. That is what you will have. Now, after it's done baking, okay, I did go in with some more of my honey. Honey, yes, I went in with the honey. And what I did was poured it all over my turkey drumsticks on both sides. Okay, so make sure you get enough of that honey. This is where you stop. You are all done baking and drizzling that goodness all over your turkey. Okay, your turkey drumsticks. That is looking oh so good. That texture from the outer skin is perfect, flawless, just the way that I wanted it to be. Nice and juicy. Yes, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is some good tasting, flavorful. You could see where the rosemary is just sucked on up in that outer skin. That thing is cooked to perfection. Cooked to perfection. And remember, goodies, all the amount that you need for the recipe, please check your description box, because I always try to put everything down there. So go ahead and check it. Sometimes I might forget, but most of the time they're always there, so make sure that you check it, okay? But at the end of the day, boom, that is done and it's all set to go. All set to go. So I hope you did enjoy this recipe here, because it's fast, easy, and simple to follow, right? And if you don't see what you like, just go ahead and ask me and I will in fact do it. Yes, honey. And this again is what your turkey drumstick look like. The one that I did. Yes, honey. Look at that. Because in always tell me say cook and not eat the food. So your girl is showing you here as promised what it looked like when I in fact devour that thing. Alright. So that's it for now, goodies. I hope that you did enjoy the recipe as much as I enjoyed cooking it. So be sure to share the love with friends and family. Share the recipes on your social media. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them come, I am waiting. After you done do all of them good up thing there, then thumbs up the recipe, subscribe, and check the notification, and then tell me what you'd like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!